Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we explored the amazing Þingvellir National Park in Iceland, the UNESCO World Heritage Site, which offers incredible natural views, including the North American and Eurasian tectonic plates drifting apart. During our visit, we saw the historical site of Icelandic Parliament, the oldest continuously functioning parliament in the world, along with the incredible geological wonders, including the gorge where the two continental plates meet. We also explored the crystal clear waters of Þingvallavatn Lake, the largest natural lake in Iceland. During our visit, we also chose to do snorkeling between two tectonic plates. Do check the link in the description for detailed In the park, we also saw Öxarárfoss waterfall, which is unique because it cascades over the gorge, a rift valley that marks the boundary between the North American and Eurasian tectonic plate. Thank you for tuning in. We hope you enjoyed the video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.